And behind me, it's an old boat. I can't remember what it's called without being able to. Alright, you're fine. It's quite often that people claim that they have the oldest building in an area. But here's the issue. A lot of times when a building is old, that means they have old recipes that haven't quite kept up with time.
Soup of the day. Gloopy, under-seasoned, wasn't even hot. It was just hideous.
Well, what if there was a building that was about 300 years old and their food was still just as good as it was then as it is today, if not even better? Well, tonight, we're going to Jessup's, the best hidden secret in Delaware. She's been waiting for quite some time. All right, are you ready to order?
Yes.
All right, let's get that order out there.
Fish and chips.
Okay, so it's family night, right? You're on vacation, you're looking for a hidden gem, somewhere to go because they're looking for the local spots. Well, we found it. They broke in there. Gosh, there's so many. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have a little bit of family game night. The fact that they go out and try to do things that puts them out of their comfort zone is pretty cool. We're gonna try some family night icebreaker questions by Seek Discomfort. This is their Spark Pack.
Where would you go?
If you could go anywhere for a year, completely free, where do you think you would go? What's your answer?
Puppy Island.
Puppy Island.
In Minecraft.
What about you?
Britain.
She'd go to Britain. She'd go to Britain to go check out the British. I love that. Okay, what about you?
Swedish Alps.
Ooh, the Swedish Alps. My goodness, we're climbing some levels here.
Stephanie Sue, shout out. She's in the Swedish Alps at the moment, and their hotel is insane. The views, oh my gosh, you're like in the sky.
We're talking about all expenses paid, so if this was your wedding, where else would you go? Comment below. My answer to this is Vancouver, Canada. One of my favorite places in the world. Okay, so we have 3 different things to try here. We love shepherd's pie.
We were dating, and he made me his shepherd's pie.
That's true.
And I'm pretty sure I had 2 gigantic servings of it because I was blown away by the way he made shepherd's pie.
So
he taught me how.
I'm a huge fan of Dutch-Irish culture. I've always wanted to have my own kilt, cowboy boots. That has nothing to do with the kilt.
You already have cowboy boots.
We're really excited. So we have shepherd's pie. Oh
Look at
boy. Oh my.
Wait.
Wow. This is the flippin' chickasee.
A pan-seared breaded breast of chicken simmered in burgundy wine, local mushrooms, garlic, and cream.
There's some zucchini on here, some fresh veggies. Yeah.
Onions.
The duck.
Roast duck halfling.
It has a cherry-ish glaze on top of it. It is
The ketchup.
fantastic. So, what should we try first?
Ooh, I'm going for the...
You're going for that first?
Yeah,
All right,
absolutely.
get in there. Trevor's pie first, okay? Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's steamy, it's hot. Oh, it smells good.
Nope. You like it?
I love how many flavors there are.
Wow.
That's really...
Well, what?
See if it says...
The gravy, though? Alright, you guys want to try it? You guys gotta get your
Just a
fork.
little bite.
A little bite.
A little bit.
Shining, dripping, and glistening into my face. It really finishes everything. And you don't need salt, you don't need pepper. Which is, I put salt and pepper on everything.
Yes, he does.
I do, on everything.
Whose water
That
is
beef
it?
is flavored
Is this
beautifully.
somebody's water?
It's chopped and it's not fatty. The potato is cooked perfectly. That's good. We're gonna try this next. Alright.
Now, this would be interesting because I don't like mushrooms.
I think what I like about this place too, look at the gravy. Look at the gravy on this one too, right? I love the fact that they cover things in gravy. That means there's so much flavor in it. You ready? Here we go.
That chicken looks so good. Oh yeah. That
Yeah, man. What?
It's very simple.
Give me a bite of
But
that.
it's very good.
It's so simple. But wow.
I'm doing my weird dance. That was yummy.
And then these look like the same mashed
Everything
potatoes
tastes-
that's
doing
on
my
the
weird-
shepherd's
everything
pie.
tastes good with your
But
pie.
very good.
That's my favorite so far.
I know, that's my favorite meal.
This is so good.
Careful.
Dude, friggin' chicken steak, it shuts it down. All right.
Luna said that it feels like we're in a whole different place.
Okay. All right, here we go. Last but not least, the duck.
I want
A
it.
cherry glaze. I think there's parsley on here. Jax,
Yeah.
she's not really
It's
ever
like a
had a
warm
duck
pickle.
before. We've eaten lamb before together, but this is her first time ever eating duck.
Like, we've been sitting here doing this for a while and this is still piping hot.
Piping hot. Which means they cooked it correctly.
Yes, we shall.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot juicier than I expected it to be.
Honestly, they did a really good job. It's not dry. It's super. Literally, like, the texture is perfectly cooked. They did a great job. Seriously, they did a really great job on this duck.
The chips.
Heaven fries.
Oh, yeah, the chips.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us on this episode. If you enjoyed eating with us and this was a mouth-watering experience, Old Newcastle, even the kids love it. If you're an adult or you're a child, doesn't matter. Come on out here, give it a shot. See you guys later. Peace, we're out.
Joseph's Tavern.
In Old Newcastle.
In Old Newcastle.